Are you inundated with yarn, project remnants, discount bin bargains, the gifted, the thrifted, and a stash of other odds and ends of unknown origins? This series aims to bust that stash with quick, simple tutorials that use only small amounts of yarn. Welcome to the Scrap Stash. Hey everyone, welcome back to Skein Spider. For today's video, the third Scrap Stash, we're going to be making this little bunny here. So grab your hooks and let's get started. To make this pattern, you're going to need a 3mm hook, as well as scissors, stitch markers, needle, pins, stuffing, a pair of safety eyes, I'm using 12mm, and 8-ply yarn in a colour or colours of your choosing. The head and body of the bunny are crocheted as one piece. Begin by making a magic circle and then into the magic circle crochet 6 single crochet. Round 2 is 2 increases, followed by 2 half double crochet increases. A half double crochet increase is just 2 half double crochet in the same stitch. After the 2 half double crochet increases, do 2 more increases. This will bring you up to 12 stitches. Round 3 is 3 single crochet, 6 increases, followed by 3 single crochet to give you 18 stitches total. Round 4 is 3 single crochet, and then you're going to repeat 1 single crochet, 1 increase twice, followed by 1 half double crochet, 1 half double crochet increase twice, 1 single crochet, 1 increase repeated twice, and then finish with 3 single crochet to give you 24 stitches. Round 5 is just a round of single crochet, so 24 in total. Round 6 is 3 single crochet, and then a repeat of 2 single crochet, 1 increase repeated twice, then 2 half double crochet, 1 half double crochet increase repeated twice, then 2 single crochet, 1 increase repeated twice, and then finish with 3 single crochet to give you 30 stitches. Round 7 is 30 single crochet. Round 8 is 14 single crochet, 3 half double crochet increases, followed by 13 single crochet to give you 33 stitches total. Round 9 is 10 single crochet, 1 increase repeated 3 times to give you 36 stitches total. Rounds 10 to 11, that's 2 rounds, is just a round of 36 single crochet. Round 12 is 10 single crochet, 1 decrease repeated 3 times to bring you down to 33 stitches. Round 13 is 15 single crochet, 3 decreases, 12 followed by 12 single crochet to give you 30 stitches. Round 14 is 3 single crochet, 1 decrease repeated 6 times to bring you down to 24 stitches. Round 15, begin with 1 single crochet, 1 decrease, and then repeat 2 single crochet, 1 decrease 5 times, and then finish with 1 single crochet to give you 18 stitches in your round. At this point, stop and add your safety eyes between rounds 7 and 8, positioned on either side of the head. Also begin stuffing the head. Stuff firmly. When you finish stuffing, continue with round 16. Round 16 is 1 single crochet, 1 increase, then 2 single crochet, 1 increase repeated 5 times, and finish with 1 single crochet. This will bring you up to 24 stitches. Round 17 is 3 increases, followed by 7 single crochet, and then a repeat of 1 single crochet, 1 increase 3 times. Finish with 8 single crochet, and this will bring you up to 30 stitches. Round 18 is 1 single crochet, 1 increase repeated 3 times, then 8 single crochet, and another repeat, this time of 2 single crochet, 1 increase, again repeated 3 times. Finish with 7 single crochet to bring you up to 36 stitches. Round 19 is just a round of single crochet, 36 stitches in total. Round 20 is 1 single crochet, 1 increase repeated 6 times, followed by 24 single crochet to bring you up to 42 stitches. Round 21 is just a round of single crochet, 42 in total. Round 22 is 1 increase, followed by 2 single crochet repeated 6 times, followed by 24 single crochet to bring you up to 48 stitches. Rounds 23 and 24 are rounds of single crochet, 48 in total. Round 25 is 31 single crochet, then a repeat of 1 decrease, 1 single crochet repeated 3 times, followed by 8 single crochet to bring you down to 45 stitches. Round 26 is 45 single crochet in total. Round 27 is 30 single crochet, then a repeat of 1 decrease, 1 single crochet done 3 times, followed by 6 single crochet to bring you down to 42 stitches. Rounds 28 through to 32, that's 5 rounds, are just rounds of 42 single crochet. Round 33 is 5 single crochet, 1 decrease repeated 6 times to bring you down to 36 stitches. Round 34 is 2 single crochet followed by a decrease, then a repeat of 4 single crochet, 1 decrease done 5 times. Finish with 2 single crochet, this will bring you down to 30 stitches. Round 35 is 3 single crochet, 1 decrease repeated 6 times to bring you down to 24. At this point, finish stuffing the body, again stuff firmly. Round 36 is 1 single crochet, 1 decrease, followed by a pattern repeat of 2 single crochet, 1 decrease done 5 times. Finish with 1 single crochet to bring you down to 18 stitches. Round 37 is 1 single crochet, 1 decrease repeated 6 times to bring you down to 12. Finish with round 38, which is just 6 decreases. Finish off and weave in your end. For the ears, begin with a magic circle and into the magic circle crochet 6 single crochet. Round 2 is 2 single crochet, 1 increase repeated twice to bring you up to 8 stitches. Round 3 is 3 single crochet, 1 increase repeated twice to give you 10 stitches. Round 4 is 4 single crochet, 1 increase repeated twice to bring you up to 12. Round 5 is 5 single crochet, 1 increase repeated twice to give you 14. Round 6 through 8 are just 14 single crochet, so single crochet in each stitch. Round 9 is 5 single crochet, 1 decrease repeated twice to bring you down to 12 stitches. Round 10 is just a round of single crochet, 12 in total. Round 11 is 4 single crochet, 1 decrease repeated twice to bring you down to 10 stitches. Round 12 is a round of 10 single crochet. Round 13 is 3 single crochet, 1 decrease repeated twice to bring you down to 8 stitches, and round 14, our final round, is just a round of single crochet, 8 in total. Finish off and leave a tail for sewing. You don't need to stuff the ears. For the legs, begin again with a magic circle, and into the magic circle we're going to crochet 6 single crochet. Round 2 is going to be 2 increases, 2 half double crochet increases, followed by 2 increases to give us 12 stitches. Round 3 is 3 single crochet, 1 increase repeated 3 times to bring us up to 15. Round 4 is just a round of single crochet, 15 in total. Round 5 is 4 single crochet followed by 3 decreases and then 5 single crochet to bring us down to 12 stitches. Rounds 6 and 7 are just a round of single crochet, so 12 in each round. At this point, stop and begin to stuff the paw and the leg. When you've done that, we're going to continue with round 8. Round 8 is 1 increase, 4 single crochet, 1 decrease, followed by 5 single crochet, which still gives us 12 stitches. Rounds 9 and 10 are just 12 single crochet in each round. Round 11 is 1 increase, 5 single crochet, 1 decrease, 4 single crochet, which still gives us 12 stitches. And our final rounds, rounds 12 and 13, are just a round of single crochet, so 12 stitches in each round. Finish stuffing the leg firmly, but only stuff 3/4 of the way up. The last roughly quarter of the leg should have no stuffing in it because we're going to lay that flat. The tail also begins with a magic circle with 6 single crochet in it. Round 2 is 6 increases to bring us up to 12. Round 3 is 3 single crochet, 1 increase repeated 3 times to give us 15 stitches. Rounds 4 to 5 are just 15 single crochet in each round. And round 6 is our final round. 3 single crochet, 1 decrease repeated 3 times to bring us down to 12 stitches. Finish off and leave a tail for sewing, and then stuff the bunny's tail. To assemble your bunny, we're going to begin with the legs. Squash that top quarter of the leg, the part we left unstuffed, flat, and then we're going to pin that to the front of the bunny, roughly 2 stitches apart between rounds 23 and 24. Set your bunny down on a flat surface and see if it balances. If it doesn't, you may need to move those pins and pin the legs either higher or lower than between rounds 23 and 24. When you've found the correct position for your legs, we're going to sew those on. Before we attach the ears to the head, we're going to fold the ears in half, specifically the part down the bottom, and we're going to sew the first 3 rounds together so the ears stay folded. So up for 3 rounds, sew back down for the 3 rounds, and then pin the ears to the head between rounds 3 and 4. Again, if you're not happy with the placement of your ears, just move them around a bit, pin them back in place. When you are happy with the placement, go ahead and sew those on. For the tail, we're going to pin that between rounds 27 and 28 on the back of the bunny. When you've finished sewing, you can also add a little Y-shaped nose using some thread or yarn, and when that's finished, your bunny is complete. Thanks for watching. I hope you enjoyed this pattern. If you did, please consider liking, subscribing and all that. Next week I hope to have up the first part of my Evie pattern. I'll see you all then.